Hello and welcome to the session. Here we will discuss how to make sliding diamond fitting. Let us get into the video now. A smooth file is used to remove small quantities of material and to give a good finish. A dead smooth file is bring the material to accurate size with a high degree of finish.
Objectives. At the end of the session, you will be able to know file flat surfaces and parallel to an accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 mm. File angular surfaces to an accuracy of plus or minus 15 minutes. Relief drill hole of
Dia 3 mm.
chain drill hole and remove excess metal. File to size and match aspect drawing. Finishing and deburr. Types of files. For filing and finishing different profiles, files of different shapes are used. Flat file. These files are used for general purpose work. They are useful for filing and finishing external and internal surfaces. Square file is used for filing square holes, internal square corners, rectangular openings, keyways and splines. Round file. A round file is circular in its cross section. It is used for enlarging the circular holes and filing profiles with fillets. Half round file. A half round file is in the shape of a segment of a circle. It is used for filing internal curved surfaces. Knife edge file. It is used for filing narrow grooves and angles above 100. Triangular file. A triangular file is used for filing corners and angles which are more than 60 degrees. Care and maintenance while filing. Do not use files having the blunt cutting edge. Remember that files cut on the push stroke. Never apply the pressure on the full stroke or you could crush the file teeth, blunt them or cause them to break off. Prevent from pinning. Giving your files teeth light brush with oil during long storage. Normally, do not apply any oil while filing. Files should be stored separately so that their faces cannot rub against each other or against other tools. Tools required. Steel rule, hacksaw frame with blade, flat smooth file, vernier caliper, vernier height gauge, ball peen hammer, vernier bevel protractor, tri-square, dot punch, center punch. Material required. Raw material MS flat 90 mm into 65 mm into 10 mm, 1 number. Raw material MS flat 75 mm into 60 mm into 15 mm, 1 number. Job sequence. Check the raw material for its size. Observe the given raw material carefully. Check whether there is any formation of rusting, corrosion, and scaling before doing any job. File one flat surface and two adjacent sides at right angles to each other. Apply marking media on the surfaces of the job. Marking out is the preliminary work of providing guidance lines before doing job. File and finish Part A and Part B for the overall size maintaining parallelism and perpendicularity. Tri-square is used to check the perpendicularity. Mark off Part A and Part B with a vernier height gauge aspect drawing. Mark lines at a height of 6 mm, 31 mm and 56 mm in part A. Rotate the raw material by 90 degree and draw lines at a height of 7.5 mm, 42.5 mm and 77.5 mm. Punch witness marks and relief hole marks. Drill relief holes of 3 mm in part A. Workpiece to be drilled should be properly held or clamped to prevent it from rotating along with the drill. Improperly secured work is not only a danger to the operator but can also cause inaccurate work and breakage to the drill. For a drill to give a satisfactory performance, it must operate at the correct cutting speed and feed. Cutting speed is the speed at which the cutting edge passes over the material, while cutting expressed in meters per minute. Chain drill hole in part A. Hold the part in the drilling machine and chain drill holes. Repeat the procedure to get a chain drill hole. Filing in part A. Chip and remove excess metal in part A as shown in figure 1. File part A to size and shape as per drawing. Check the size with vernier caliper and angles with vernier bevel protractor. Filing in part B. File part B to size 70 mm into 50 mm into 10 mm and shape as per drawing. Check the flatness and squareness with the help of tri-square. Mark part B with a vernier height gauge as per drawing. Mark lines at a height of 25 mm in part B. Rotate the raw material by 90 degree and draw lines at a height of 35 mm. Mark witness mark using dot punch. Use a hacksaw to remove the excess metal. Match part A and B as shown here. Finish part A and B and remove bars in all corners. Apply a thin coat of oil and preserve it for evaluation. Recap.
So, now we can have the recap of what we have discussed in this video. File flat surfaces and parallel to an accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 mm. File angular surfaces to an accuracy of plus or minus 15 mm. Relief drill holes of dia 3 mm. Chain drill holes and remove excess metal. File to size and match as per drawing. Finish and deburr. Try this with the help of the instructor. Thank you for watching this video.